Today's January 15th, Monday. It's a holiday, so I am out here at the cabin, continuing with the painting. Today's goal is to paint the bedroom, one bedroom, and this has been primed already when I was here on Christmas Eve. And my goal is to finish this one, but also I would love to finish the bathroom. When I painted the bathroom, I ran out of paint, so there is one wall, this long wall, that needs to be still painted. I brought out my lamp for the bathroom. I probably will not have time to put that up here, but it's here, so next time I can definitely work on that. So what I'm doing right now is trying to heat up the house. I got here about a half an hour ago and it was 22 degrees. So we're up to 39 right now. I'm trying to heat up the house up to 50 degrees. At least, so I guess another half an hour maybe. The fire is going, so that helps. The other hurdle I have is that I really am not comfortable turning on the water right now because I'm pretty sure the pipes are frozen somewhat. I'm sure there's some water left in them, and I don't want to take the chance to burst any of them. So I have a bucket of water here from outside, the rainwater, and I'm hoping it's gonna melt because I do have to wash my brushes. Finished painting my bedroom. It looks pretty good, it's still drying. It's dark outside already, it took me all day, but I'm feeling good about it. So I'm gonna wait here and have it dry a little bit, have the heat on for about 10 more minutes. And I do have the fire still going, so hopefully that will be enough for it to dry up nicely. Today is January 20th, Saturday. I'm back at the lake cabin. I just finished up the bathroom and just waiting for it to dry. I still have to figure out how I'm going to get into that little nook. That part is not done, but this wall is done, and now I'm going to put up the vanity light up here. So it's going to dry quickly. It's really not that cold outside. It's 55 outside. And the other thing I'm going to have to do is do a little bit touch-up paint in the bedroom. There are some white spots. This is what happens when I'm trying to paint in the dark. There's one over there, and then I have to fix that ceiling over there. So just a few minutes of touch-up, and then I'm gonna paint the window wells. And I don't know if I'm gonna paint the closet today or not. We'll think about that, but my goal is to bring in the bed today and have a little setup, semi finished, because the floor is still not done. So I'm just gonna enjoy this nice weather for now, waiting for the paint to dry. It's 56 today, so it's the warmest it's been for a while. Nice and sunny. The lake is drained, so it's pretty ugly right now. My neighbor is out here. I think they're the one cutting the trees. And other than that, it's so quiet. It snowed a few days ago and all my water froze, my rainwater, so I'm hoping that it's gonna thaw. I was able to wash my brushes for the next round of paint. So I'm just gonna enjoy the view, and in about a half an hour or so I'm gonna go and put up the lamp, and I may put up the ceiling fan as well in the bedroom. So my bedroom is kind of semi-civilized now. I can sleep here at least. Got my bed and a little decoration and the TV. Put back the covers for the switches. I'm not really happy about how the switches are not flush with the wall, the covers, but it's fine for now. I think I'm gonna move those bins behind the door. This room is 12 by 12, well, 12 by 10 really because of the closet, but it doesn't look very big once it has a little furniture in it, which is good because I don't want it to be echoing. So this is not bad. Okay. Can't wait for the floor to go down, and I gotta finish the closet and the door trims and the window trims. The window still has to be put in, and of course put up the curtain rods. That's gonna make it really good. The other thing I've done is put up the bathroom light. You need one more bulb in the middle. That's blinding. And I think I'm going to tackle that corner, paint that down, and then I'm pretty much done. I might put up the shower curtain. Yeah, I could do that. I set up this little area for my cleaning supplies for now until we get storage in here. The next thing will be putting down the floor, and then I can have the toilet installed and also the vanity sink installed. I couldn't even put up the covers for these because these drywallers, they cut too big of a hole in here on the top. It's a mess. I gotta fix that myself. This is not good. So I will do that. I brought in a bunch of junk from the porch and from the shed, storing it in the spare bedroom for now, and that's where we are. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the porch a little bit here.